Okay guys, I'm making a video to Porsche. Hope I get a lot of views. So my not got any cars. So you can watch this one go for, and please give me a lot of likes. It almost looked like a hit. Can you see it? Wait. Upside down, everything upside down. So close it there, but the window's kind of messed up. Get up, white car. That's not. The car kind of looks the same, but it is white. You can see for the. I moved back so you can see. See on it car? Yeah, the wheel. I picked because I just looked at it and then said you want it. So funny. Just forget it. Look at that. Another one. Kids are gonna spin their car. So good there. This can be there. Actually. Alright guys, one more minute and let's go outside and check on our car. There's your sign, man. There you go. Super ones will come next. Here's super ones. You can already see that the stuff right there. Oh, up two.
She took like 4 months off. She wasn't retaining. She didn't tell anybody. She didn't just say she got
Okay.
one.
That's these those guys. There's a ones over there and the one on the roof. So it dries it like that. Shiny car. That's still glove.
Oh, that is a white boy, is he?
No, he's working with smaller kids.
Oh, that's not.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, we'll call that well. They can't even sing the thing. And oh god, anyway, on the other side of that wall right there is the machine. And that's the whole machine. But this one, and this one are both cars. Four cars here. What am I saying? That's the car. You're not too close. Toyota. already open. And that's kind of it. What was that? So we have now. Thanks for watching. More awesome.